Hello my dear class fellow and my dear teacher, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Touseef from class 6th. I am standing in front of you for presentation on human skeleton. First of all, I tell you about how many bones in human. There are 206 bones in human. I tell you about the human skull. First part of a skull is cranium, which is made up of 8 bones to form a brain box. In second, I tell you about the mouth. Mouth is consists 32 teeth, 8 incisors, 4 canine, 4 premolar and 12 molar. In third, I tell you about the sternum, which is made up of cartilage. Which is made up of cartilage. In fourth, I tell you about the upper bones, which is clavicle and scapula. In heart is enclosed rib cage, and lungs is enclosed ribs. Lower two ribs are floating. Human bone of ball, social joint. Beneath the human there is reddish and ulna. There, if lower region, which is femur. There is femur, which is strongest bones in human. There are which is strongest bones in human. Next is patella, then next is tibia and fibula. Then next is tarsal and metatarsal. Then next is tarsal and metatarsal and phalanges. Thank you.